Hey there, thrill seekers and movie buffs. Are you ready for an unforgettable adventure through the magic of Universal Studios Hollywood? Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned theme park pro, we've got some game-changing tips that will supercharge your experience and make sure you get the most out of your time at this iconic destination. We're diving deep into the world of Universal Studios to unlock a day filled with excitement, entertainment, and memories that will last a lifetime. So grab your virtual queue pass and your popcorn, because we're about to reveal the ultimate Universal Studios Hollywood time maximizing guide. Let's get started. So tip number 1, buy your tickets in advance. Save time and money by buying Universal Studios Hollywood tickets in advance. No waiting in long lines. Tip number 2, pick the best time to visit to have the best experience at Universal Studios Hollywood. Visit during fall, winter, or spring. Avoid holidays and weekends. Check park hours and arrive early on shorter days.
Hey there, awesome viewers! Explore our fantastic online shop for exclusive deals and goodies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for your time. Now back to the video.
Tip number 3. Consider the Universal Express Pass. Consider purchasing Universal Express passes for priority access to most rides, shows, and attractions. Upgrade to Unlimited Express for multiple rides. Both passes grant entry to Super Nintendo World without reservations. Tip number 4. Bring your own material for eating and drinking. Bringing your own water and snacks can save you time and money at Universal Studios Hollywood. You can bring water bottles up to 2 liters and small snacks. Consider getting a souvenir cup for unlimited soda refills. Tip number 5. Utilize package pickup. No need to worry about carrying around your souvenir purchases. Just ask the team member at checkout to use package pickup. They'll hold your items at the Universal store near the park entrance. Tip number 6. Schedule your day around the shows. Plan your day around the shows you want to see at Universal Studios Hollywood. Arrive early for Waterworld, the biggest show. Check the schedule on the website or app. Don't forget to enjoy the Wizarding World shows and take a break in the afternoon. Tip number 7. Visit the Wizarding World of Harry Potter to maximize your time at the Wizarding World. Ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey and Flight of the Hippogriff in the morning. Then, visit the lower lot for shorter wait times. Save Hogsmeade for later in the day when wait times are higher. Ollivander's Wand Pairing Demo and the Wizarding World generally have shorter waits in the late afternoon. And tip number 8. Use the single rider lines to save time. Try the single rider lines for faster access to rides without a Universal Express Pass. It's a free way to skip the line. Just check the height requirements for tadpoles. Single rider is subject to availability, so ask a team member about it. Enjoy the attractions. Tip number 9. Be strategic about your studio tour. The studio tour at Universal Studios Hollywood is a must-do. You'll see famous backdrops like the Bates Motel and Wisteria Lane. Catch some filming too. Ride King Kong 3D and Fast and Furious for an exciting experience. Best times to go are late morning, afternoon, or early evening. If you have early access for Super Nintendo World, you can use Express for the studio tour before 11 a.m. Tip number 10. Have lunch during off-peak times to save time at Universal Studios Hollywood. Dine outside of peak meal times. No table service restaurants in the park, but plenty of options at City Walk next door. For a relaxing and delicious meal, try the 3 broomsticks in the Harry Potter section. Enjoy the wizarding atmosphere and try their wizarding beverages at Hog's Head Pub. Tip number 11. Purchase the VIP Experience. The Universal Studios Hollywood VIP Experience ticket offers a 6-8-hour guided tour with valet parking, snacks, backlot access, unlimited priority access to rides and shows, and a gourmet meal. Limited availability, so book in advance. Tip number 12. Make the best of ride breakdowns. If a ride has technical difficulties, team members may give consolation prizes like treats or a secret code for a return visit. You might divide into smaller groups to maximize the benefits. Tip number 13. Do your souvenir shopping. Avoid crowded store lines by using package pickup. Send your goodies to wait for retrieval and enjoy them as a dessert at the end of the night. Tip number 14. Install the Universal Studio Hollywood app. The Universal Studios Hollywood app is a great tool to enhance your park experience. It helps you find showtimes, check wait times, and navigate the park. The virtual line pass for Secret Life of Pets saves you time in long lines. And don't forget about the reservation system and Universal Express options for rides like Mario Kart, Bowser's Challenge. Have a blast at the park! And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun content. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, keep exploring and making memories.